My solution is to use 3 loops, one for each axis, directly setting the x, y, and z values to each of the grid intervals. I then create a vertex with each point and add it to the list. I encourage you to modify various parameters in this particle system and see the effects. If you set size attenuation to false, the particles will have a size of 35 units in the world itself instead of 35 pixels. If you turn off sort particles, you'll see rendering errors as the particles are drawn in the wrong order from various view directions. Try removing the sprite texture entirely to see how that looks.